Scott here with 802 Outdoor Adventures. I don't have a front-facing screen on this camera, so I don't know if I got Rick in the background or not. But Rick and I are here. We're back up on Buffalo today. Hopefully I'm in the center of the screen. But we're on Buffalo today. We're scratching around in the spot we're always at, so I already got a couple of, I set up and threw a couple shovelfuls in to prime the box, and it looks like I already got a speck or two on the mat. So I'm going to keep digging. I tried punching a hole through the clay over there and ended up getting water down my boot, so I went over the top of my boot. So I quit that. I'm back in the gravel bar. We're scratching around for some flood gold, so hopefully we'll have something to show you. I'm going to shovel for an hour and do a clean out and see what we get. I'll be back. Well, I don't get this new camera going. Right in there, there's a speck, and I think there's another one over here in the corner. So, yeah, there might be another one right here. I don't know if the camera can pick those up. Anyway, that's where we're at so far. Just got a few specks in there. It's a nice day. It was 38 degrees when we got here this morning. I think the high is supposed to be like in the 50s, so little shot downstream. As you can see, most of the foliage is gone. Rick's down there feeding his, you know what, I think he's got a flake in there, so let's take a real quick walk down. There's someone way downstream. I got here before he did. Rick says it's somebody from Connecticut, so we got some out-of-state friends that are having some fun here today. Let's go see what Rick's got going on over here. You can just see it glistening in underneath the water there. This is a waterproof camera, but I don't feel like testing it out right yet. I just barely got it, so if anybody knows how it goes, it'll probably get wet soon enough. I'll put it somewhere and it'll fall in. It's usually the way, or I'm going to fall in with it. There we go. River's not as slick as it was, but man, you still got to be careful. That's where I'm digging. I'm scratching across the edge of that gravel bar where we've been finding a lot of the flood gold so far. And had some high water last week. It exposed some of the gray clay bottom, and I tried punching a hole through it, but I'm a good over a foot down in the clay layer, and I haven't found the bottom of it, so I quit. It's too deep for my boots. Alright, enough yakking. Let's get back to it. Alright, let's check out what Rick's first. Oh, look at that. Rick's first clean out did pretty well.
Yeah, a couple little chunkies.
A lot better than mine. There we go. Nice.
Yeah. Happy with that?
I had a bunch of finds and I was going to get them on camera, and they scattered in my pan, so they're in the clump. Well, we'll see them later. I am going to walk upstream, I think, and looks like more water's coming on the left side looking up, so I want to check out that, where all that gravel was. See if that high water last week washed any of that stuff out. So I'm going to bring a shovel and a pan and maybe a couple of small utensils up with me. That's all we're going to use, and we're going to scratch around for a few minutes. Then we'll come back down and continue on digging here. Got to try something different. Well, I didn't bring the camera up with me, but there's a bunch of little stuff. But that little rust colored, that's gold. definitely gold. I don't know if it's just a rust colored piece or if that's actually got some rock in it, or it's in the host. I don't know. The other thing I don't know is if this camera's focusing. I don't know. I don't believe this camera has a macro mode on it. Okay, no screwing around. Anyway, not bad. Yeah, it just sits right there. Cool. Way better in the light. Alright. That is going in the snuffer bottle. Everything down so I can. Alright, Rick and I are out of here. We called it a short day. We both got stuff to do, but there's Rick's take for the day. Not bad.
Yeah.
Got some nice chunky pieces in there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to reserve my, he just saw my last cleanup, which was pretty doggone good. I hope my rake's over there. But I'm going to reserve that for the newly acquired gold wheel that I have. Oh, that guy's still down there. He disappeared for a little while. We figured he left. But that gold wheel is slick. I might have to do a video on that. I'm getting it figured out, so who knows? I may put up a video before this one, so.
New favorite toy.
That is my new favorite toy, alright. Alright, well, I'll see you in the gold room. And we'll show you the gold. Okay, we're back in the gold room. Running my new favorite toy. And as you can see, the materials being worked out of it. Hopefully the gold's being dropped in the hole. Into the little bucket on the back. Well, we'll let this run. This shouldn't only take about 20 minutes. And then we'll dump the stuff on the gold table. And we'll show you that. Alright. I just sort of have the camera set up kind of right over the top of the gold table, but as you can tell, the rocks are, it's most of the bigger stuff, so all it takes is a few swipes and that stuff gets washed away. But you can see the amount of gold that we got today. That's pretty good. This is a lot faster than doing all that little tiny black sand. That wheel is amazing. That thing makes short work of this. So I will brush this out. It'll only take me a few minutes, and then we'll dry this stuff out and do a weigh up. See what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, not bad. Good day. Well, that's it. Until next time. Y'all be good. Catch y'all later.